What's up guys, my name is Mike and today I'm going to show you how to make a guitar melodic trap beat. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so I have my sounds loaded here. Kick, this is a hi-hat, a clap, open hat, 808 and then a snare. And then let's speed up the BPM. Yeah, let's put it like 170. I think 170 is good. Yeah, so let's go to piano roll. So I have this FL key. This is stock plugin. It comes with FL Studio. Yeah, so let's get inside. Let's get into piano roll. Let's start with the A. Okay. Let's put it here, and let's put this guy here, and let's get back to C, to A, I mean. Alright, so this sounds good. Let's go here and then let's switch it up. Let's bring this to C. Okay, so let's fix it like this. Let's bring this again here to G. Alright. Let's bring this to D. D will sound good. Right, like this. And then let's bring this to D. And then I think alright, this sounds good. Let's make another one, and then let's push this to like E. Alright. Alright, this sounds good so far. Let's keep going. Let's bring this down. Bring it to D. Yeah, that's good. So now let's put some root notes here to C, and then into E, and then into D. All right, so now let's change. Let's replace this with I don't know if you have Omnisphere. Let's try to, okay, there's this free plugin. It's a guitar plugin. Let's see if it's going to work. Sometimes it doesn't sound good, sometimes it sounds good. So let's see if it's going to work with this one. See? No, it doesn't sound good. So let's try to replace it with Omnisphere. Okay, Omnisphere, let's go to guitar. Okay, let's try this. Let's see this one. Okay, I think this one is good. Yeah, let's go with this one. Is you copy everything here. What's in the top? Don't copy the root notes, just these, and then go on Alt, and then hold Alt, and then press R. So this will randomize. Alright, and then let's copy everything. Press Alt and S, so that not all the notes should be hit at the same time. So let's do this. guitar here. Let's put the EQ. Okay, let's remove a little bit of low end. So we don't really need the buzz on the melody because we have 808 for that. So like this, and then let's try to put RC20. So let's try this one. Bring the buzz. I'm going to use the stock plugin. Let's try Biohazard. Yeah, I think this one can sound good. So let's open. Let's just follow the root notes. Bring everything in octave up. Let's like fill up some gaps. Alright, let's try this. Let's try this. Follow this. Alright, this now sounds a little bit good. Let's try to bring it down. Alright, let's start making drums now. Let's start with a clap. Let's go with the hi-hat. Alright, so let's give it some ruby bounce. Let's put alright, so let's put the soft clipper so that it doesn't clip. Yeah, let's do this. Let's go to E. Let's try to the melody. So I want this to go octave up, so I'm going to make this unique. Let's go up. Here I put halftime. open a case so that we can get some vocals.
When I need, oh no, oh, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, yeah, I want it. I'm feeling high. Oh no, yeah, I want it.
Yeah, so this sounds good. All right, so here we got this. So let's put it on 9. So first thing, let's put some EQ here.
Oh no, yeah, I want it.
Let's move some low ends and some high ends. Just let's put some reverb. Alright, let's put like in a large room. Okay, so let's put it here. Alright, I think that's good enough for like a beginner. So I'm going to finish making it and then I'm going to show you the final results. I will maybe like change some things. Alright, so I've changed some things. And I've added the float here, and yeah, let's listen to it and then I'll explain while listening to it. So let's start. Alright, so here's the float here that I've added. The verse starts here, and then you can hear the hi-hats. I've changed the hi-hats and then the open hats also to follow the 808. So here's like a bridge going to the chorus. So yeah, that's it. So let me know in the comments what you think, if you've learned something, and what other type of videos you want to see, what type of beats you want me to like make. Yeah, and this is my first time doing YouTube tutorial, so I would really appreciate if you can give me like some feedbacks and everything in the comments. Yeah, so I'm out. Peace.